Looking to save big on Bluehost web hosting? I've got an exclusive Bluehost discount that gives you up to 80% off plus a free domain name. And the best part, no Bluehost coupon code needed. Just click the link in the description below and the discount is applied automatically. You don't have to enter any Bluehost promo code. Bluehost takes care of it for you. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Here's a quick breakdown of what you'll get with this deal. Starter plan, just $199 a month for a 36-month term. Perfect for blogs, portfolios, or small websites. The business plan, just $399 a month for a 36-month term. Ideal for growing websites, freelancers, or small businesses that need more storage, performance, and flexibility. E-commerce essentials, only $699 a month with everything you need to launch a full online store. All plans include a free domain name, SSL, and Bluehost 24/7 support. Plus, Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Once you choose your plan, you'll be taken to the domain setup page where you can claim your free domain name. Just type in the name you want, and Bluehost will let you know if it's available. If you already have a domain, you can choose to use it instead, but the free domain is a great bonus if you're starting fresh. Not ready to decide on a domain yet? No problem. You can also choose the Choose Domain Later option to use a temporary domain provided by Bluehost. This allows you to choose your free domain name after setting up your account. Next, you'll land on the cart page and you'll see your hosting plan listed here. To get the lowest pricing as low as $199 a month, make sure you select the 3-year term. This gives you the biggest savings overall and locks in your rate for the next 3 years. You can also choose 1 year or a monthly term if you prefer. The discount will be slightly less. Once you've chosen your plan term, you'll see a bunch of additional add-ons you can add that are optional. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You'll now be on the checkout page, enter your contact information, account information like your name and email address. Then fill in your payment details. Once everything looks good, hit the Submit Payment button, and that's it. You've officially signed up for Bluehost hosting with the exclusive discount. Again, no code is required. Just click the link in the description and your exclusive Bluehost discount will be applied instantly so you can start building your website with Bluehost today. And if this video helped you out, consider subscribing for more web hosting tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.